Hi everyone, it's Forsythia with CactiOnWhite and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, I'm glad you could make it. Today I'm going around looking for things to do a patio refresh. So I'll be going in a lot of different stores. One of them is IKEA, and I wanted to bring you guys along when I go in IKEA so you can see what new plants they have. So stick around, let's see what we can find. So guys, an unplanned stop, which is not uncustomary for me. Calloways Nursery was on the way to where I was headed, so I thought I would do a detour and see what they have. Little bonsai starters are cute. These are so cute. May pick up a couple of those. Gingers, fan palms. Let's see what they have. Little philodendron Congo. Oh, how cute. $2.99. Little ripsalices, or is it ripsalici? So guys, I am wearing a mask, so if I sound muffled, that is why. These are so cute. I've had a couple of these. We have the Ginny Monstera, which is actually the Rhaphidophora tetrasperma. I have one. Good to see these here. $29.99, not too bad. What is this guy? Moon philodendron lemon lime. Regular Monstera. The pretty pink. Isn't that gorgeous? I am CactiOnWhite, but I really love the pink. This guy. Prince of Orange, $6.99, not bad. Alright. Some Sansevierias, bird nest, looks to be. Giant Aglaonemas. Giant Sansevierias. Giant ponytail palms. Very large ZZ plants for $50. Not god awful. I see the cacti succulents, so let's check those out. Aloes, a lot of small specimens here. Interesting, they have them in leca. Very interesting. I've been thinking about doing a lot of, or not a lot of, but I've been thinking about transitioning more plants to leca. I don't have any cacti and succulents in leca, but I may give it a whirl. More ponytail palms. One of my favorites, false otios. Little small specimens. Isn't that cute? Love it. $40 though. But I love the, oh, it's connected. It's plastic as well. Oh, this one's not though. Maybe they glued the other ones. Oh, here we go. Oh, I see how it connects, see? I like that. $40? I don't know. A bit much, especially for plastic, but it's very cute. Tradescantia Bolivian. That's gorgeous. I really like that. 20 bucks, not bad. Scantia. Support that guy. Crotons. Not my favorite, but nice. These guys. What's this? It's nice. Steve Leaves. For those that don't know, Steve's Leaves is based in Texas, Louisville, Texas, actually, which is about 15 minutes for me. So a lot of the big box and local nurseries in the area, you will find plants from Steve's Leaves. But what is this guy? I don't even know what this is. Oh, I see the tag, so. Mardania Loriformis Bright Star. I like that. That's cute. Oops. It looked like it bloomed here, so I have no idea. It's spent already what the blooms looked like, but cute plant. Oh, what's this? Is this the ant plant? An ant plant, another one, $15. I posted about my ant plant on my Instagram page just yesterday. So guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please look me up and follow me there as well. It is CactiOnWhite, and I do a lot of, I'm pretty active on Instagram, so please, please, please look me up and follow me. I'm not really seeing anything that's striking me right now. But they do have really good pottery here, so I'm going to check out their pottery as well. Here's some very large specimens of ponytail palm. It looks like, I think this is some type of Scheffalera. I'm not sure which. I've seen it before. It's very pretty. I like the shiny foliage here. Very nice. It's gorgeous. There's a big Congo, and I actually got my Congo a few years ago from Calloways. Not this location, but a different one. The Cenas are beautiful. Here's the pottery. So I'm indoors checking out the pottery indoors. It's a little cooler. And the pottery is a little bit smaller. Cute owl planters. And a llama, I presume? Not sure. They also have orchids in here, so I'm gonna see if I can find the orchids. And they have the rocks and all that jazz. Expensive though, $8.99. I actually can't find the orchids, so maybe not today. Zebra plant, I really like this plant. I struggle with it though, so I've had maybe 2 or 3, and that's the limit. I've given up, so not my plant. So guys, I'm at IKEA, and there is a very, very long line to get in here. It was this way last time I came out here about 2 weeks ago, and I decided not to wait because it's very hot. It's Texas, so I think it's probably in the high 90s today. But I really need to go in here for other things, so I'm going to wait it out. So we wait. So guys, I just came out of IKEA. Hardly any plants at all. You could see the shelves were pretty bare. There was one tray of small cactus and succulents and a few other random plants, but overall, really no plants. So I don't know what's going on. It looks like they haven't gotten a shipment in. So I didn't get any plants in IKEA. I did pick up a couple of pots. Some white pots for some plants I have coming. So that's it. If you like this kind of content, consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Drop me a comment down below if your IKEA is the same as my IKEA with no plants hardly at all. So it's the same around town actually. I just came out of a Home Goods and it was pretty bare as well. So I don't know, it's the state of the world, I guess, or the US, I should say. So I hope you guys are having a good weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.